Can Grishchuk save his team?
And we know that Grishuk is very good when it comes to low time.
Yes.
He's an amazing handler of his nerves because when you have low time, Sagar, your heart starts beating. That's when chess turns into an actual sport. And right
Absolutely.
now he's winning.
He's
Yes.
winning. He's winning. He's actually
He's fighting back.
saving the day for Up Grand Mumbai Masters here. And which means, Samay, if he wins, he gets 4 points. That
4
is
points
huge.
for winning with black, guys. That is the new rule for the first time we have seen ever.
Yes. Ever in the chess world, we have never seen this before. And Alexander Grishchuk pushes his pawn on the other side and he says, I'm going to simply push it down the board and going to make a queen. But is it a, he keeps giving check. Samay, he
Yeah.
keeps on checking.
Look, he wants him to repeat and make it a draw.
Oh,
but
it's already repeated twice. And there you have it. Grishchuk changes the move. He goes back.
because if he had come back down,
It was
would
a
have
draw.
been a repetition thrice. And if any position in chess is repeated thrice, then it's a draw.
Yes, absolutely. And for the time being, now it's not a draw. Grishchuk is better.
Look
But
at how fast they're playing. Look at how fast both the players are playing, trying to intimidate each other with their with their speed.
absolutely.
I am lost for words, Sagar. This is so exhilarating. Can we quickly have a look at board number 5?
You mean Nana Zagnidze and Harika's game, which we were seeing. So if let's go to board number 5 with Nana Zagnidze and Koneru Harika. Samay, this one I think is going to be around equal for the time being, but Harika has a very strong grip on the clock. She's doing very well with the time.
And what about board number 6, Sagar, in the youngsters, in the prodigy? Can we have a look at board number 6?
But Samay, let's stick here. For the time being, Harika is on the attack. She's attacked this pawn and she's pushed her pawn forward. She's actually going all out against the white king.
Sagar, these kind of moves can be a double-edged sword.
Right now, the queen has gone back. We are on this board and we can see Harika getting up from her chair. She's just adjusting herself because Samay, right now, the queen has come back and is attacking this pawn.
And Harika has only 25 seconds, Sagar. She is
No.
fidgeting.
Harika has 1 minute 20 seconds, Samay. Nana Zagnidze has only 25 seconds. So that means Harika has
Oh.
good enough time. She can think. She can think here.
Oh, great. But look at how calm Nana Zagnidze looks. It looks like that's why I said maybe Harika is under time pressure because Harika is looking very stressed. Right now, the pawn on h5 is getting attacked, Sagar. Do we
Yes.
defend it or don't we
No,
care?
you have to defend it, Samay, because you can't lose this pawn,
Oh,
and
she
that's why
defends it.
Harika goes back, and so she has gone back. Let's go to board number 6 now, Samay, the prodigy board, because here it could be that the game ends in a draw, perhaps, if we can go to Jonas Beer. Oh, they have drawn. What? The game has ended in a draw here. It seems Jonas Beer versus Javokir Sindarov.
What?
What just happened in this game?
Wasn't White completely winning this game?
I believe, no, Samay, they ended in a draw, which means that right now the match is very interesting. What happened in the game of Katrina Lagno and Koneru Hampi? I think in that game, Samay, again a draw. Let's go to the game of Yu Yangi and Alexander Grishchuk on board number 2. Let's go there because 2 games which were actually completely winning for Triveni Continental Kings has ended in draws.
Chess is so brutal, Sagar. You're winning until the last move, and you make one wrong move, and it's all over. All your
Right.
initiative, everything gone.
And so, right now, the score is 6-3 in the favor of Triveni Continental Kings. But if Alexander Grishchuk manages to win,
It'll become 7.
it will become 7-6. And then if Harika holds her game against Nana Zagnidze, Up Grand Mumbai Masters win this match.
What a turnaround!
What a turnaround. And Samay, that has happened because Jonas Beer could not convert his position, nor could Katrina Lagno.
And here we know Grishchuk is a very seasoned player.
2 pawns up. He has 2
And
extra
he's going to
pawns.
convert this for sure, Sagar. I know Grishchuk. I have followed many of his games. And I know that he holds his nerves very well because right now the both players have less than 30 seconds.
Yes.
And this is where your heart starts beating, your nerves start ticking. and you have to have great control on your nerves. And I think Grishuk is the one with the upper hand in this position, Sagar.
I agree with you, Samay. And Grishuk has the entire team's overview right on the side. He can see that his win is very critical for his team, and all he needs to do is not blunder into a knight fork.
So, and I don't think he will. He's not. It's not me who's playing there, Sagar. So we are saying 7-6, right? Let's consider that Grishuk is going to win this game. So it's going to be 7-6. So can we focus on the game that's most crucial right now for this match?
You mean
which is
Harika and
Harika versus
Nana
Nana Zagnidze? Because everything comes down to this game, Sagar.
Let's go to the board number 5. Harika versus Nana Zagnidze. They are repeating, Samay. They are repeating. Maybe the game ends in a draw there.
Oh, they did. They drew.
So now everything boils down to Grishuk versus Yu Yangi. Can we go to board number 2 now? That's the only game remaining. Grishuk versus Yu Yangi. It's a draw here as well, Samay. We have had 4 draws, which means the score is right now 7-4 in the favor of Triveni Continental Kings. But if Grishuk manages to win this position, it means that the upgrade Mumbai Masters will win.
Why did Nana
Let's go to board number
Zagnidze
2.
accept a draw in that position? Because she had to fight, right?
Yes, she had to fight, but it is a result that has come here. What has happened?
I'm sure Grishuk has won this game.
Did Grishuk win this game? Grishuk has won, Samay, which means that upgrade Mumbai Masters have beaten Triveni Continental Kings.
Wow, what a match, Sagar. It was completely not seeming that this would be the result, but what a turnaround by the upgrade Mumbai Masters.
Samay, 4 points for Black win really was a big thing, and there you can see Grishuk is so happy. He's the one who single-handedly made his team win.